Hello Blade Breakers and welcome back to another unboxing. So today guys, we have the Lightning L Drago Bay Legends version, and I'm gonna unbox it for you guys. Check it out. Let's see. I got this on eBay, by the way. It was $15. Pretty good deal. Let's try not to break the box. Okay. Okay, so first thing that comes out is, what is this? So it looks like the instruction manual. Cool. What kind of package is this? Okay, so after getting the tape off, oops, don't want to break that. Dragon Wonder, black. Love spin. And the tool. Be right back. So I couldn't really save the box much, but managed to get it out. That's most important. So here we go. So let's take this off quick. And we got the L Drago. Lightning L Drago attack ring. And this doesn't come with stickers, by the way. The fusion wheel. Really cool. Believe this is 100. Oh yeah, just 100. The track. And the bottom is a whole flat tip for aggressive movement. There we go. So which one? Try this one. With the 100. The whole flat. Which way is this? I think it's this way. Tighten it. Bottom. And there we go, guys. El Drago. Lightning El Drago. Really cool. Classic metal fusion. And yeah. Really cool. Yeah, if you guys like watching this video, click that like button, and then we'll be back for another unboxing. And other than that, guys, peace, and see you later.